Oh, damn!
Toyota. Yamaha. With the brand new sexy tires. Oh no, copyright! Oh shit. Spin up the whole track. Rut the thing up. Oh, she spun.
Spun up the whole track.
Everything's flooded. Everything. Should have caught the fucking mallard or something. Probably should Can't use my Oh, it's wet right here. I forgot about that. Maybe you're right. Maybe we are gonna run up the whole trail. Oh, this corner kind of dried up better. It's only puddles.
Last year, this was shit.
We're gonna get the pump going. April 2nd, 2026. And she's flooded. And this is only one corner. Got Waylon over there. Getting it ready. It's okay, you're cool enough to be in my videos.
For real.
Say that again?
Explicit. Explicit. We're cooler than happy hour.
Hell yeah, we are. The $4.10 a gallon gas,
For real, dude.
$1,000 generator.
That's $1,000. I've got one just like this. I didn't know I had $1,000 sitting in my garage.
Yeah, to get rid of water.
It's crazy.
Oh yeah, you're getting to the top.
Yeah. Yeah. Silly watch. Funny money to say no silly watch.
Call her good.
Get the old Honda, set it up, bub.
Where's the fucking choke?
I'm shaking like a sieve.
Chest workout got you a little.
Oh yeah, bud. Here, you're not even in frame. There you go. Fucking runs like nobody's business.
Yeah, right? Look her in.
Woo! She sucking?
I think so.
I hope so.
Okay, give me some slack.
Give me some slack, bud.
Ready?
Yeah, got a little bit of slack there. Let's get this. Oh!
Oh shit, it's already ripping. We don't even have to set it up yet.
Oh shit, it's kinked. She kinked, bud.
Oh, watch out. This hose is gonna spray you. It's got a hole.
Oh, I remember that from last time.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh shit, Waylon. It's not even something.
It's not what? Oh shit.
Let it rip.
Oh, she's spraying.
Oh,
Oh shit.
what is this kinkage?
What is this kinkage? Oh, I'm getting sprayed.
What is this? Oh shit, I'm getting sprayed.
Oh.
Climactic.
Point of view of me when I see brand new KTMs.
Let her pump me.
Nice and wet, bud.
Perfect. So this, when we get the skid steer here early summer, I want to take this jump out. And I'm thinking double rollers. So you can either double into the corner, or you can hit them like whoops. And then it's just one less ramp to maintain. And it'll go a little faster and give it more flow, because last year we turned that into a step up. It used to be single. And the far jump in the corner used to be double. We made it into one jump. Less ramps to maintain. Supposed to move from here.
Slow-mo video. Aesthetic.
Yeah, right?
Oh.
I wish we could ride.
I know.
I kind of want to go check out the food plot in the lot, and then we can probably book it.
Boot, scoot, and boogie.
Call it a day. Sounds like a plan.
Another epic cinematic driving video. Oh shit. Oh yeah.
See,
Epic
this whole
cinematic.
side over here, on this side of the road, I want to turn into a pit bike track. The deal is,
The deal.
if I can maintain, like, mow, weed whack the big track, the dad's gonna let me
Put a pit bike track in.
pit bike track in. Until we get the skid steer, because then I can start doing it.
Sir, yes, sir.
Start.
Shkaboof.
And we're already here.
Already here. To the funk spot.
To the funk spot.
Oh.
Waylon, how you feeling, bud?
My arms are sore. My brain is foggy, and I'm dehydrated.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
Ready to go? Stop at the gas station. Get Red Bull. Two hours later. Three-quarters of a tank of gas. Like 4 hours total driving for about 2 hours of riding.